In this video, I'm going to show you a 95% win rate pocket option strategy that you can use right after watching this video. So watch this video very carefully, okay? Because it is going to help you to make lots of profitable trade from starting from today, okay? So watch it very carefully. So now, firstly, what you need to do is just select the currency pair, whichever you want to make trade on, and make all of those favorite, okay? Just tick mark it and then it will be listed at here, okay? And by the way, if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I have given a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on Pocket Option, and you will be eligible to get a huge amount of deposit bonus. Not only that much, in upcoming days, when you keep on depositing in this platform, you will keep on receiving deposit bonuses in this platform. So now let's get into our topic. So once you have made this currency pair favorite, then what you need to do is just click on here, okay? And then click on this moving average 2 times, okay, so that it is implement, sorry, not Keltner channel, moving average. So let's delete this Keltner channel, only you use this 2 moving average, okay? And in one it is 10, okay? And in style, just make it 2px so it is more visible, and click on save. Similarly, click on this pencil icon and make this 4, okay? And then click on style and change the color to white and make it 2px, and then click on save. So once you have done this much, then again click on here, and then now it's time for you to implement an indicator that is called fractal, okay? Just click on this fractal, and you don't need to make any changes in this fractal, okay? It's fine. Now once you have done this much, then you can get the accurate signal to make trade by clicking on higher and lower. Now I'll exactly explain that. Not only that much, I'm actually going to show you by making trade with this exact strategy, okay? And you can see how much win rate this strategy has. To get signal with this strategy, it is extremely simple. So whenever you see this kind of, okay, green arrow that is directed towards upward, okay, this is the fractal indicators signal that downtrend have started, okay? Whenever you see this kind of signal, and whenever this crossover happens, okay, and these two lines are facing downwards, okay, in this type of, okay, format, okay, then that is the signal where you can make trade by clicking on lower. I'll definitely show you what happens in this trade after some while. So now let's see in another case, okay, in uptrend case. Now whenever you see this kind of down arrow, okay, right, that means this fractal indicator is saying that uptrend has started. And when you see this kind of crossover and these both line have started to face towards upward direction, at that time you can make trade by clicking on higher. So here is also one condition, arrow is showing downwards and these both are trying to go up, okay? This is the place where you can make trade by clicking on higher. So now I'll exactly show you, okay, by making trade in various currency pair, okay, at here. And watch this, all of this very carefully, okay, how I am executing the trade, okay, and exactly what condition I am executing the trade. Watch this very carefully. So firstly, I have executed a trade at here, okay? So as you can see, I have also shown you previously this, it was a red, and this both line are showing in upward direction, and I have made a trade by clicking on higher, and you can see how beautifully it is going up, okay? So we have 42 seconds remaining. So let's wait and see. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it is profit, okay? So now let's see on 4 5 different currency pair, okay? I will exactly use this strategy and show you how accurate you can get this signal to make trades on. So let's get started.